This is the RSL10 SmartShot camera platform. You can build a battery operated camera that is portable, ultra low power, which will capture image when triggered by sensor events. It offers edge to cloud connectivity via Bluetooth Low Energy. In this demo, we use Aws Recognition to perform image classification of the image that is captured by the camera. The key features of this platform is this compact ARX3A0 image sensor that captures black and white image at 560 by 560 VGA resolution. The RSL10 provides a Bluetooth low energy connectivity, which is industry's lowest BLE solution. The camera uses a low power IoT ISP from our partner SunPlus IT, and we have packed the camera with a lot of sensors that allow you to set event triggers to capture image. These sensors include motion sensors, accelerometers, temperature and humidity sensors. And you also have an option to power the camera using a battery or USB. In this demo, I will power the camera using the USB interface. In addition to the camera, we also provide you with a mobile app, RSL10 SmartShot, that is available on both iOS and Android platforms. In this demo, I will be using an iPhone, but the user interface is the same on both platforms. So let us get started with the demo. So I have turned on the camera via USB, and then I will be using the mobile app to control the camera. So when the camera is turned on, by default it goes into the advertising mode, waiting for the connection from the mobile app. When I open the mobile app, you can see the SmartShot camera listed on the main screen. So when I go ahead and select the camera here, it will then connect to the camera via BLE, and then it will actually bring to this screen here where you can interact with the camera. So you can ask that you can take a picture by clicking this icon here, and whatever picture the camera will do, then transfer that picture over via BLE, and it will be displayed on this mobile app. You can also, save this picture to your phone using this icon over here. Now let's see how we can, set sensor events using this mobile app. So when you click this settings button here, you see a lot of options wherein you can actually control the camera as well, set the sensor. If you would like to take not just single image, but a continuous stream of images, you can do that by toggling this switch here. The camera is capable of generating one image, one frame per second. But of course, you can change this slider here to change that frequency. You can also toggle and turn on the motion sensor and of course, turn on the accelerometer. In this case, the camera would wait for either the motion to be detected or a vibration to be detected to take the image. And of course, you also can, toggle the temperature sensor and the humidity sensor, and you can actually set the range, the lower limit and the upper limit of the temperature. And whenever the temperature goes out of that limit, then it would actually, trigger. So let's, in this case, let's do a very, let's just enable the motion sensor and then see what the camera does. Now, as you can see, we have enabled the motion sensor. So the camera is, triggered, and it's waiting for the event to occur. At this point, the camera turns off the image sensor and the ISP to maximize the battery usage. Now, let me try to pick up the. So when I tried to pick up the cup here, you saw that the motion was triggered and the image was captured. So now you can similarly you can play with a lot of other sensors using those setting options. As I mentioned to you before, we have integrated the camera platform with AWS Recognition to perform image classification in the cloud. You will need an AWS account for this. You can either create a new one, or if you have an existing AWS account, you can use it, and you would have to enter the AWS credentials in the mobile app. Now I have already entered my credentials in the app. I would suggest you refer the getting started guide on how to go about doing it. Now let's do the image classification of this image captured here. Let's see, can identify what this image is. And the way to do it is just click this button here. This uploads this image to the AWS, and then it actually prints out the output. As you can see here, it has correctly classified this image to be a coffee cup or a cup. Now let's try out with another object. Now let's see if the classifier can classify what this is. There you go. It has classified this as to be a bottle, and it's kind of drawn a boundary around this object that was classified. As you can see, the RSL Smart Shot camera is a compact machine vision camera which offers long battery performance using event-based image capture. The AWS integration allows you to perform image analytics in the cloud. Please visit the Aws Semiconductor website for more information.